Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add your Citibank card to your Citibank application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So what we want to do is go to citi.com right here if you've not already, and after doing so, you're going to go and be greeted by the home page. So this is the main page from where we can get started. And the first thing we need to do is to log into our account. So if you do not already have a Citibank account, what you can do is go and register for one. If you already are a part of the bank, you can just activate your account online. So once you've gotten your account, you can get started logging in. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard from where you can go and get started accessing your balance, your payments, and so on. Everything is going to be available. And now we can get started with using our card and the application. So how can we do so? We have all the steps we need right here on the official Citibank frequently asked questions of how to activate my physical card once it arrives. So what we're going to do is just log into the Citi mobile app. Once there, you're going to go to the home screen and click on activate your new card. This is going to enable you to enter in the 3-digit CVV number on the back of your physical card and click on activate, and this is going to enable you to successfully activate that card, and you can then get started using it in the Citibank application. You can also go ahead and use your digital card details. That's going to go ahead and enable you to activate your digital card that you're going to go and be using directly from the application itself, and with that you are ready to get started using your Citibank card for payments. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.